Alright guys, first you need to take one of those potting bags and fold it until it's at the height you want. Just make sure the bag is not too deteriorated, okay? Even if it's torn, you can still use it. Just shape it and it will be ready. Now let's start filling it. I fill it with loose soil and sheep manure. Just make sure to mix them perfectly, okay? Then, water it well. This will prevent our seeds from sinking later. I planted tomatoes, but this method works for any plant, I think. Make the holes where the seeds will go. Depending on the plant you're planting, the depth of the hole and the distance between them will vary. I made them about a centimeter deep. Once we place each seed in its respective hole, we cover them with more soil. As you can see, the soil I'm using has small stones and particles of leaves and wood. This will help the plants develop well. Once they're well covered, we need to water them. And well, as you can see, here I have one of those bags with kale plants. I don't remember what I planted in that one, but a garlic and a chilacayote sprouted there. We have lettuces here. And more tomatoes here. I use these boxes to protect them from birds, cats, etc. But you can use whatever you can think of. The seedlings are inside of this corral, you could say. I made a roof of branches for shade and also to take advantage of rainwater. Well, any suggestions or opinions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments. If you like the video, please give me a thumb up and share this video with your acquaintances. Thanks a million for watching, and till next time.